Transform the corner cabinet from cumbersome to a versatile, usable space by combining the convenience of a drawer with the benefits of a Lazy Susan. The Chrome Easy 360 Susan includes 2 center baskets that have the ability to slide out of the cabinet. Plus 4 adjustable side baskets are easily accessible due to the 360-degree rotation of the organizer. From Hardware Resources, let's get organized. If using a variable speed screw gun with clutch to install your new organizer, make sure it is set to a lower setting. Double check your cabinet for correct sizing before you begin. The minimum cabinet diameter is 30 inches. Minimum cabinet height is 24 13/16 with a maximum of 30 inches. On the bottom of the cabinet, measure from the cabinet wall on both sides 14.5 inches and then 16 5/8 inches. Where the lines intersect will be your mounting position. The top position will be 14 5/8 and 16 3/8. Outside the cabinet, place the base on the floor and attach each side rail with 2 number 10 by 1¼ pan head machine screws. Make sure the hooks on the slides are open to the top to allow you to place the baskets in the hooks. Slide top mounting support into the openings of each rail. Place the unit inside the cabinet on the install marks. Secure the base with 4 number 8 by 1 inch pan head wood screws. Slide the top mount up to the top of the cabinet and secure with 4 number 8 by 5/8 inch pan head wood screws. Once secure, on the side of each rail, install 2 number 8 by 1/4 inch pan head machine set screws. Install the center baskets by pressing the side of the baskets down onto the hooks on the slides. Install the side baskets at desired heights.